Minolta MN40Z review. 40 times zoom madness that'll make your phone camera cry. Ever feel like your camera is straight up sabotaging you? Blurry shots, zero zoom power, missed moments that you swear were perfect 5 seconds ago? Yeah, we've all been there, stuck, frustrated, and ready to launch that thing into a lake. You want memories that actually look like memories, not pixelated crime scene photos. This ends today. Because let's be real, when deadlines are pounding, the wedding kiss is happening right now, or that rare bird finally lands. Your gear has exactly one job: deliver. Miss it, and poof, moment gone. Stress climbs, confidence plummets, and opportunities vanish. If you've ever felt that creeping panic of knowing your shot is slipping away, buckle up. Enter the Minolta MN40Z, your unfair advantage in a world where most cameras choke under pressure. We're talking 20 megapixel crystal clarity, 40 times optical zoom that snatches distant subjects like they're standing next to you, buttery smooth 1080p HD video, and optical stabilization that laughs at shaky hands. That time I spotted a hawk halfway across a canyon? Boom! Framed, focused, and flawless without taking a single step. Its 3.0-inch LCD makes composing a breeze, while Wi-Fi sharing flings your shots to your phone instantly. Face, smile, and blink detection? Check. Macro mode for wild close-ups? Oh, it's in there. This isn't just a camera. It's a precision time machine that freezes moments exactly how they deserve to be remembered. Here's the thing. Once you start shooting with the MN40Z, you'll notice everything just clicks. Workflows feel effortless. Your focus sharpens. Every shot feels like a nailed-it moment. Photographers rave about its versatility. Wildlife pros love the zoom. Travel bloggers swear by the compact size, and even tech reviewers have called it a sleeper hit in the super zoom world. One influencer said, "It's like having a telescope that takes gorgeous selfies." From the macro magic that makes raindrops look cinematic, to manual and auto modes that flex with your mood, this camera is built for people who refuse to settle. The OIS works overtime, the HD video feels cinematic, and the ergonomic grip means comfort all day. So, why is everyone talking about it? Maybe it's the shots they never thought they could capture, until now. What's your excuse for missing the next one? Here's your moment. Limited stock, thousands already shooting like pros, and the clock's ticking. Cameras this versatile don't sit on shelves. Grab the MN40Z today and lock in your unfair advantage before your next big moment slips away. Act now, because memories don't wait. Secure yours, join the ranks of raving fans, and make every shot the one that everyone remembers.